Hey guys, it's WeFire88 here, back with another fan video. And what we're looking at here today is this 52-inch Sanyo Lasko ceiling fan that's branded as a Sears Roebuck. This fan is in very, very mint condition. It's like it's never been used. Dang, look at that. Almost like it's never been used, because it has never ever been used. Brand new in the box. Got it off of Facebook Marketplace, $60 later, and here it is. Not bad. I'm not gonna complain on the price, but it was worth it. It has literally everything. Like, it's never been installed. Like, this is the thing that was between the downrod coupling and the motor. It was the piece of paper they had there to stop the motor from spinning. Yeah, that's where the motor went in the box. And something else I should is this. It has its owner's manual. 42-inch version I actually have right over there, unless that's a 48-inch one, but fuck if I know. But that could be a 42-inch one I have over there, and now I have a 52-inch one here. Pretty cool to find this, especially brand new. Some of the brackets are a bit, I don't know what word is it, tarnished? Yeah, that one's okay. Yeah, this is the worst one out of them all. But the brass on the fan itself, though, is in good shape, as far as I can tell. And the plastic itself is just still here, still sturdy. And as I said, it has everything down to the freaking factory J-hook, which is right there. Pretty amazing. The tag? That is a good question. I don't know where. Oh yeah, it's right there underneath the canopy, but I don't think I'll be able to really show you that very well. Unless I did some... Nah, forget it. Anyway, guys, enough jibber jabber. Let's demonstrate this thing. Here's low. I've always wanted one of these 52-inch Lasko fans, or Sanyo Lasko for that matter, whatever the fuck their name is. I have the Dayton Lasko. Now I have a 52-inch, basically the residential version of a Dayton Lasko, and a 42. So I essentially have all of them except a 40-inch Dayton Lasko, because I do know that they exist in smaller sizes for Dayton Laskos. But yeah, I think the other one I have that's the residential style, I think that one is a 42-inch one. There's a video on that thing somewhere in my channel, I'm not even sure, but had it for a few years now. Yeah, just like any other spinner from this era, this thing of course wobbles right out of the box, but other than that, this thing is dead quiet. There's no motor noise, there's no bearing noise, there's no nothing. Dead quiet. A little motor hum, but that's, Alright, let's take it up to medium. Very nice fan. I really like how this looks. It's a very good air mover too. I'm getting a really good breeze from it on medium. tell if I'm hearing bearing noise, which I may have spoke too soon on my part, but it could just be motor noise. Yeah, that's just motor noise. Okay. So it has a little motorhome on medium, nothing too big. But yeah. And we'll take it up to high. Very good performing fan, I must say. This thing's very quick. Getting a nice strong breeze behind the camera here. Got a close-up of it. Yeah, this thing is solid. For it sitting in the box for how long it has, this thing is solid. Alright, now we'll do spin down. Alright. Spin down. Also, the pull chain, if you probably have noticed, the pull chain sequence goes low, medium, high, off, instead of high, medium, low like your average fan does. So that's pretty cool. And that's the thing I noticed with these older Sanyo Laskos, is they have the same setup like an Alaska does or something. Low, medium, high. High, medium, low. And I also believe that there is some way to like change the wires around so you can have a fan. Like you could take, let's say a 42-inch landmark, for example. You could take a 42-inch landmark and make that so it goes low, medium, high. There is such thing of doing that. I did that to a generic GE vent builder fan one time, and I was surprised that it worked. Like I was replacing the bullet chain and I made it on accident so it will go low, medium, high, and I had no idea that you could do that. But yeah, this fan's coming to a quick stop, probably because the bearings are a little stiff. Alright, so the fan has now come to a complete stop. I will now end the video here, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.